Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to move Chainlink, link from KuCoin to MetaMask. Now, the first thing you need to do is get your link wallet address from MetaMask. So you come here, you navigate here, click on account, so you find your wallet, So if you had that Chainlink right here, you get your wallet address, and to move it, you come click on those three dots, click on account details, so you get all the details, your address, your secret recovery phase, if you had a private key, right? And then you just go in to KuCoin and you go ahead and add that account there. So for example, you come here, click add account or wallet on KuCoin. You import using either your secret recovery phase, your private key. If it's a hardware wallet, you connect accordingly. That's all you have to do. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.